Hey, this is Jeff from Task AGI. This process used to take hours. Now it's automated with Task AGI AI agents. Let me show you how.
Spending hours manually reaching out to websites for backlinks is exhausting. You copy and paste the same pitch into contact forms, send dozens of emails, and track everything in a messy spreadsheet. Most people give up after the first 10 sites. This AI agent handles all of that for you automatically. It reads your target list from Google Sheets, visits each website, fills out their contact forms with your personalized message, and even sends follow-up emails through Outlook. Everything happens in the background while you focus on actual work. Here's how it works. The agent starts by pulling data from your Google Sheets where you've listed target websites and contact details. Then it uses browser automation to actually visit each site, just like a human would. The AI figures out where the contact form is, what fields need to be filled, and enters your customized outreach message. If there's no form, it switches to email and sends your pitch through Outlook instead. The smart part is that it tracks everything back in your spreadsheet. Status updates, timestamps, response tracking. You can see exactly which sites you've contacted and which ones responded. The agent loops through your entire list automatically, handling hundreds of outreach attempts without you lifting a finger. You need 3 things to get started: a Google Sheets account for your target list, Outlook for email backup, and browser automation, which comes built in. The setup takes about 5 minutes. You connect these integrations, customize your outreach message template, and hit deploy. Over 200 people are already using this agent to build backlinks on autopilot. Stop wasting time on manual outreach. Deploy this agent now and let AI handle the boring work while you focus on growing your business.